Hey my lovely people, now I'm making matoke curry or stew. Now if you're East African, you know this and we enjoy it for our breakfast. Add in some minced meat there and you'll love it for lunch. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're returning subscribers, thank you. We are happy to have you. Yes, now I have my ingredients as you can see them there. I have my matoke, green bananas. Now in this recipe I'm going to add in a bit of eggplants. Yes, as you can see, you cut them nicely that way. Very nice. I have some onions, I have some garlic, some tomato paste, some tomatoes. Now you add oil in your pan and add in your onions when the oil is ready. Now you mix this until it's golden brown and then you add in your garlic. Now guys, this is a very simple recipe, something you can make on a lazy day. So yummy. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of curry powder. Yes, now you add in your tomatoes in there. You are going to let them simmer to become soft, as you can see. And guys, I also added in some bay leaves. Forgot to let you know. So I added in my eggplants. You can play with this. You can add in your eggplants, aubergines. So yeah, I have my carrots and green pepper there, and I have a tablespoon of tomato paste. Add it in there. You let it simmer a bit, not so much. You don't want these eggplants to get ready to become soft. So you add in your matoke, mix this nicely, and you are going to add in, I added in a bit gentle with the salt, yes, and a bit of water, not a bit, add in water. That will be enough for the matoke to cook and also for it to make some sauce for you. Now there, I cooked for 30 minutes. Now that's my matoke, guys. At this point it was ready. I just added in added in 1 tablespoon of Royco and a tablespoon of corn flour to give it that thickness, to make the soup thick. And guys, oh, this is so delicious. Please try it out. Let me know what you think. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you. See you on the next recipe. Ciao.